Want to big up all the promoters worldwide that has taken on the challenge of booking Jamaican dancers to travel the world and share our Jamaican dance culture, dance and dancehall culture. I am grateful. I am honored. It's a privilege, guys. Thank you so much. Last night I went to the club and booked up in Renegade from RDX. And it was such a wonderful feel. It was such a wonderful link up. Us there, basically showing the dancehall culture, sharing it in a different country outside of Jamaica. It's an honor. I'm want the artists them for know say, yo, respect you for the dancers them too, cause we are the road. We're bringing dancehall out there to four corners of the earth, some places where someone never even go to. So dancers deserve respect. Yeah, man, coming to Freiburg, Germany, I didn't know I would see Renegade, and then my promoter said, hey, Renegade is coming to town. I said, okay, let's go. You know, and then when you see me, I'm going to say, yeah, Renegade, big up yourself. I say, what? Kimiko, you there? I'm going to say, yeah, man. And, you know, it felt so good. It felt so good. And just to show you, say, the dancers, them, along with the artists, them are represent for the culture just the same. And it's strong and powerful, and people love us out there. So big up the artists them and big up the dancers them too, because we are do it, we are set it. Because enough time when we do use you guys songs in your classes, some of the songs the dancers, the students are not aware of. They come and ask us, who's that singer, or the Shazam song, and then something there. So that helps sell records and songs, and you know, it helps bringing food in everybody's pocket. So respect due to all of it. So dancers, big up on yourself. Jamaican artists, big up on the damn self. You don't know, Kimiko Versatile representing. I feel so good. I just feel good for being representing Jamaica culture worldwide. We're all dance and cultural ambassadors, and we should feel proud. And big up to all our students that is coming out to our workshops, and big up to our promoters that are booking us for their events and trusting in our talent and our culture.